Hi, Mr. Ambassador. Good morning. Konnichiwa. Hello. Oh, very good. Pleased to see you.
Foreign Minister to update on the development of two countries' relationship. And in December, His Excellency Prime Minister visited Japan and agreed to elevate the relationship to comprehensive partnership. So we have restarted the cooperations in broad range of areas, so including the development cooperation and also private sector investment from Japanese companies and people-to-people relationship between Japanese company, and also the cooperation so in the regional context in terms of diplomacy and security. So I have updated the development of our cooperation, and we agreed to work further together to strengthen the cooperation. So especially this year is important. This year marked the 25th anniversary of the first donor conference, which took place in Tokyo in 1999. And I have agreed with the minister to celebrate this 25th year's anniversary to strengthen our cooperation in the future.
Welcome to Timor. Make the team very strong and to be Timorese.
Thank you so much.
Yes, okay.
Thank you.